Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Indian Punjabi style cooking. Best of all my easy steps cooking. I'm going to make today honeycomb buns and I'm going to share with you how do I do it. Let's take a look what ingredients I'm going to use. 2/3 of cup of milk, it's a kind of lukewarm. 2 tablespoons of my instant yeast, sugar 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 egg. I'm going to use 1 egg white, 2 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of my sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and then I will be using butter, which will be 3 tablespoons. To make it my honeycomb buns sweeter, I'm going to use 1 cup of my sugar, 1 cup water, and half teaspoon lemon juice. It's all mixed, as you see. Lukewarm milk, I'll add my yeast and sugar. I'll mix it and I will let it sit on the counter while I'm preparing my other things for 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes it will activate. I'll bring my all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 baking powder. For my butter, it's 3 tablespoons. It's exactly 10 minutes. Look at how the yeast has been activated, and I'll bring that into my flour. Slowly, I'm going to let it. My dough is all done. I'll turn it off. My dough is really nice looking. It's all done perfectly fine. Let it sit, into my bowl, and I will cover this one for 1 hour. I'll let it sit on a counter. But before I do that, I'm going to. It's exactly 1 hour. Look at that, how the dough has been rising. Look at this, so smooth. And I'm going to roll it. So I'm almost done with my little buns, actually balls. I'm going to lay down in my pan. I'm going to let it sit, half an hour, plain milk. You can brush it off. I wanted to show you something in easy steps. So you just get a small, clean, nice bottle and just spray a bit like this. And this will be perfect coated. Look at, this is my mini version. Looking good. Let's go into oven. I'm going to bring my syrup, and once a boil, all the sugar contents are diluted. I'm going to add, my lemon juice. Look at how beautiful looking. Within 15 minutes, they're all done. I'll bring my syrup. Beautiful. Look at this. So beautiful. So delicious. Ooh, yummy. Mouth watering. Look at, beautiful. Sample one. I had a little bit left over. Look at this. How beautiful is it? You know, even this one is so cooked, and it's like a mini donuts. It's a mini, and so good. Really good. Thank you for joining my Indian Punjabi style, best of all, easy steps cooking. Honeycomb buns or honeycomb bread, you can make your own. It's so easy to make. Please, if you like it, please like, please share, and please don't forget to visit my other videos as well. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon with the new recipe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.